Hi, I'm Chelly Wood. You might know me from chellywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a pair of socks for a doll. You can follow these directions to make a pair of really long knee-high socks, or very short ankle socks, or anything in between. For the fabric, it sounds crazy, but I'm using underwear because they already have the elastic in them. Cut open a pair of underpants and lay them flat. Of course, children, you really need to ask mom and dad first if you're gonna do this. Lay the doll's leg over the open underpants, and you want that elastic to be right at the top of the leg or wherever you want the top of your sock to be. Fold the fabric over the leg and pull it tight. Use a fabric pin to mark the area you want to cut. Chalk works pretty well for this too, but I'm using a fabric pencil. Measure just like I showed you and cut 2 socks, one for each foot. So I'm following the lines I've drawn. Now when laying flat, the socks will look like this. Fold one sock over, keeping right sides together. Using a needle and thread, backstitch from the elastic edge all the way down to the length of the sock down to the toe. Tie a knot at the end of your stitches, and I have some links on my website to the backstitch tutorial. Now your sock should look like this. Follow these directions for both of your socks. Invert the socks. I like to use a chopstick to poke out the very tip of the sock. You'll see me doing that in this clip. So there's my chopstick. Now you're ready to try them on your doll. My doll looks so cute in these pink socks. Would you like to learn more about sewing? Chellywood.com offers free printable sewing patterns and easy to follow tutorials for sewing doll clothes to fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes. Please visit chellywood.com to learn more. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and free patterns, please share them on your favorite social media platforms. It really helps my website grow if you spread the word. Goodbye.